Welcome to the TUI Blue Aura. My name is Maria and I am the Concept Experience Manager here at the hotel. Today, I'm going to take you on a little tour of our hotel and show you the facilities and what we have to offer. We are located in Ibiza on the west coast, close to the city of San Antonio, which is located about half an hour from the airport. Now, let me take you for a tour. We are now in reception, which is the first thing you're going to see when you check in. Behind me are the check-in desks. Good to know, so you don't forget them on your holiday. They will need your passports, and then you will need to pay the tourist tax as well. Then they will give you your room, explain to you a little bit some facts about the hotel, and off you will go to find out where your room is. Check-in is at 3 o'clock, so if you arrive before, you will still be able to enjoy the facilities while your room gets ready. On the other side of the reception, you have got our Blue Guides desk. The Blue Guides are your TUI experts while you're on holiday, and they will be here to make sure you have the most amazing holiday ever. Whether you've got some issues, you want to book some experiences, or you just want to give us some feedback about your stay with us. Here is my colleague Enrique. Hi Enrique! We are now at the Waterpark. Look behind me. We've got a total of 5 different slides. You've got the blue one, the red one, which is a bit like a tornado. We've got the purple one, yellow and brown. 5 of them to have loads of fun. Some are going quicker, some are going smaller, some you go in it with a mat. As each slide is different, each slide has got different rules, so make sure that you ask the lifeguard to see which rules apply to which slides. For the ones that might be a little bit scared about the slides, don't worry, we also have a more quiet area for the little ones to enjoy and to still be able to play at the splash park. It is open every day from 10:30 till 6 o'clock, and the entrance is included with your holiday. We are now in our main pool area where you've got 3 pools in one. We've got 2 main pools, and then you also have the activity pool when we play water polo, but you also have aqua fitness every single day delivered by our BLUEf instructors. We also do other pool games in the pool, so stay tuned and check your Blue app for all the activity program. We also have for the little ones a baby pool. And oh look! Hi TUI 3000, how are you? High five! TUI is one of our friends here at the TUI Blue Aura, and he has even got his own show at night on the main stage. Are you going for an adventure now? Yeah? See you later! We're now at the Infinity Pool. This pool, like all the others at the hotel, can be used by anybody. It is located close to block number 9, which is the one that hosts our Deluxe rooms. Before you enter the pool, please make sure that you check that a lifeguard is on duty and that you've read and understood the pool rules. When you're spending the whole day around the pool and it's really hot, you will need a drink. And you know what? If you're at the Infinity Pool, having to walk all the way to the main bar is really not what you want to do. But we've got you covered. We've got the Infinity Bar where you can get your drinks from 10:30 till 5:30. Here, we also have air conditioning, so you can enjoy a game of pool or even some of the arcade games. And lovely Laura, in the meantime, will be preparing you a very refreshing drink. Gracias! We are now in the buffet. The buffet has got some outdoor seating but also some indoor seating. As you can see, let's now take a seat outside. Right. Let me tell you a few things about the buffet. First of all, when can you eat in here? Well, you can have breakfast, lunch and dinner. The current opening times for breakfast are 8 till 10:30, lunch between 12:30 and 2:30, and dinner from 6:30 to 9. However, they might change throughout the season, so make sure that you check the Blue app for all the opening times. In terms of food, what can you eat? Well, pretty much everything. Breakfast, you've got some cold options like viennoiseries, but you also have fresh yogurts, fresh fruits, and some warm option. You've got everything for the perfect English breakfast, but don't miss Juanito's omelets. They are the best. Lunchtime is more typical, more classical, but you've got all the family's favorites, from jack potatoes to some special things for the little ones in our children's corner. Come and have a look and I'm sure you will be pleased. And then dinner time is the special time. You've got every night a different theme. So we've got Indian food, we've got Italian, Mexican. My favorite one is the Asiatic night, but don't miss the Spanish night or the Sunday roast on a Sunday. A few good things to know about the buffet is as well regarding allergies or special dietary requirements. So when you've got one of those things, make sure that you inform reception when you check in. For allergies, they will provide you with an allergy card that you can then show to the maître, and he will take you around the buffet to show you which foods you can have or which foods you cannot have. And if you've got any special dietary requirements, be sure that we can for sure cater for everything. For any other information, don't hesitate to speak with any of the staff at the hotel. Check the Blue app for more information, but most of all, come and join us in the buffet to see what you can eat. Across the road of the hotel, we have our 2 a la carte restaurants. The first one is the Taverna, which is a Spanish typical local style tapas meal. And we also have the teppanyaki, which is more of an Asian style of cuisine. To have dinner in any of these 2 restaurants, you need to book in advance, so make sure you speak with reception when you check in. If you stay with us for 1 week, you get to have 1 dinner in each of the restaurants, and if you're staying with us for 2 weeks, then you get to have dinner twice in each of the restaurants. This is the lobby bar. It opens every evening from about 6:30 until midnight. It is also part of your all-inclusive, however, you can also enjoy some special premium drinks in here. Some nights a week, you also have a live singer performing here just for the pleasure of your ears. This is our sports bar, where you can see we've got loads of TVs, and on them you can request to our staff to put any game that you want to watch that is available in the channels that we have. It also serves as our indoor venue when the nights get a little bit chilly or too rainy. And then just next to it is our main bar. It's divided into 3 sections, which you can all enjoy. We've got Thea's coffee shop, where you can get your special coffees and hot beverages. You've got our main bar open throughout the whole day from about 10 in the morning until midnight. And you also have the snack bar, where in the morning we've got a late breakfast, followed up by snacks for the whole day, and ends up with a tea time before dinner time. Just outside the snack bar, you've got the Hangout area, where you can come and chill for a while. Also, this is where our club for the teenagers takes place, the Hangout, and is available for everybody between 12 and 15 years old. I have in my hand what might be the key to your room if you're staying with us. Let's have a look. This is a family standard bedroom. When you come in, the first thing that you have is the lounge area with a nice big sofa bed. If there are more than 2 of you staying, this sofa bed turns into 2 single beds as well. And then throughout this way, you have the main bedroom. It's quite important to note that the main bed is made out of 2 twin beds, so if 2 of you are coming and want to separate the bed, that is an option. You've got some nice storage in the bedroom and also 2 sinks and a shower in the bathroom. And you know what? Look at this view. I bet you can imagine yourself just having a sip of your favorite drink while you're seeing the sunset over the bay. We're now about to see a Deluxe family bedroom. When you enter this room, first you've got a little kitchenette for you to be able to have your own little meals preparation if you fancy. In the bathroom, you've got 2 sinks as well as a bath on top of the shower. We then come to the main space with the main bedroom. This one has got a queen size bed, and just like in all the other rooms, this is the kind of beds that there are, and there are no twin rooms available. But if there are more than 2 of you, or if you want to sleep on separate beds, you can also use the couch that converts into a sofa bed if needed. From here, you have a view over the infinity pool, and if you need, or if you're on the ground floor, you have a nice terrace with direct access to the pool. About 5 minutes walk from the hotel, you get to Torrent beach that you have at the back over there. It is a public beach, but it's perfect for the families. You've got a few bars, a few restaurants, you even have water sports over here, and it's just the perfect spot to watch the sunset or just enjoy the time at the beach with your family. During your holiday, you're probably going to be eating a lot because the food in our buffet is really nice. And then you're going to wonder, how do I get fit throughout the holiday? Well, we're now at the fitness platform where our BLUEfit instructors deliver a full BLUEfit program for you to stay healthy throughout your holiday. This is our indoor pool. which is heated throughout the season. Here, you can swim every day from 10 till 6 o'clock with the help of a lifeguard supervising you. You can also request your pool towels from reception and come and collect them here. For the pool towels, it's very easy. You need to give a 10 euros deposit per towel, cash deposit because you get it back at the end of your holiday. Come here with your pool towel cards, just like these ones. You exchange them for your pool towel, and then every day you can change your pool towel, get a new fresh one. At the end of your holiday, you get your towel card back, go to reception and get your money back. Now, follow me to the Kids Club area. This is a soft play garden. In the soft play just behind me, you can come and play at any time during the day. Same for this little garden. Then, over there, you've got the baby club, which is for the little ones between 0 and 3 years old, and it's at an extra charge. And you've got free of charge, included in your holidays, the Kids Club 3 to 6 and 7 to 12. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everyone, and welcome to another great night of entertainment here at the TUI Blue Aura. Well, as you can see, we are in our outdoor stage where every night we do have a full packed program of evening entertainment for you and the whole family. We start with the little ones with Blue Tots, or program designed for the 0 to 3 years old, and then move on to go on an adventure with either Captain T or TUI E3000. Later on, we also have family time with either family mini disco, family quizdom, and even our adult geography quiz, Where in the World. During high season, we change things a little bit, and we have #Live, which is a program for the teenager and the a bit older kids. Every single night we end with a cast show or a local act, which is our main show for the night. We then have later in the evening either silent disco, silent cinema, or sometimes we have a cabaret performed by our resident singers. To know a lot more, join us tonight and see what's on in your program. We're now at the football pitch, and guess what? At the football pitch, you got it, we play football. So check your Blue app to see when it is scheduled in the program for your entertainment team. The rest of the time, you're free to come out here and play all by yourself. Let's see if you can score. Oh, hi! You found our gym. Located at the back of the hotel, close to the infinity pool, it's got air conditioning, which gives you the best conditions to work out on your own every day during your holiday. We've got a lot of equipment, going from treadmills to rowers, elliptical bikes, but also you can work out your strength and not only your cardio. We've got dumbbells and a lot of other machines to build up your muscles. Well, this was the tour of the TUI Blue Aura. I hope you know now a little bit more about the hotel and that you've enjoyed what you've seen. What I must point before I say goodbye is that what really makes the hotel is the staff that works here. Everybody is so very nice and friendly and is working their hardest to make sure that you guys get the best holiday. Again, thank you for joining me today, and I will see you very soon at the TUI Blue Aura. Bye!